So welcome to EF Capital TV. I'm Izon King, excited to be with you today. And Andy Terry, welcome to the studio. Happy to have you.
Right. I'm so excited to be in the studio today.
After a long while, I've not been getting here. Please, thank you very much for being our audience. We are excited that you are there for us. And thank you for this channel, subscribing to it. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please endeavor to strike the subscribe button and like the video to help the algorithm, and then share it. You may not know whom this video will help.
Touch the
bell
for
notification bell, yeah, so that when once we post a video, it will notify you that the video has been posted by EF Capital TV. EF means Young Entrepreneurs Forum. Now it is intended to bring business difficult issues in the street way, very simple format. No, I want to tell that Terry, 90%, if I say 90%, I'm not wrong, but 90% of the people that are doing businesses are not, to say, trained business people. They are not like business professionals who have gone through the corporate business school and all that. So people we are talking to, the majority of them are people that have the capital and they feel the urge to just start a business.
When you are sounding like this, I'm not surprised.
Exactly.
Because I've seen a medical doctor after the whole study of a medical science and all that
now came to
will come back and do marketing.
Yeah, come back and do marketing or do business.
Come back and start selling clothes.
Yeah.
Will come back and start being a motivational speaker in terms of business, trying to be
an
entrepreneur.
Yeah, I want to say this to you, Terry, that sometimes even though they have you have a profession, it's not bad.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Yeah,
so
I'm
it's
not
not bad.
it.
You have a side hustle. That's why you say we talk about businesses, side hustles, and then the entrepreneur's growth, your growth. So those things come. Today we are looking at briefly how to make a business decision, because sometimes it worries. You have the money in your hand, maybe some job or some contract brought you some cash, some cool cash, and then the next thing is you want to do business, you want to start a business. How do you handle that decision? It is sometimes very difficult, sometimes very challenging. You will sit down through the night. Oh, what am I going to do? I want to sell this, I want to buy this, I want to fix this. All those things comes like a challenge. It forms like a challenge to business decision making. How do you do it? First of all, identify the end goal. Identify the end goal. What is the final view of this business decision you are trying to make? Identify the end goal. Okay, number 2, gather all the relevant information pertaining to that business you are trying to do. Do you know that sometimes people have good ideas about business after the business has spoiled?
Yeah. But
lovely ideas now comes.
Yes.
Business has come to an end.
One funny thing is that sometimes if you are not fail, you cannot withstand.
The reason for the failure was inadequate.
It's not for you to fail. It's just for you to to be motivated.
No.
Call yourself a business.
No.
Entrepreneur that you are.
Failure comes.
Okay.
Not because you were designed to fail.
Of course, nobody wants to fail.
Let me tell you why you're failing. Because or why someone fails. It's because you were not informed enough.
Yes.
It is lack of information that brings the failure. So because we have no choice than to encourage you, we let you know that failure is part of the process. Yes. But you can avoid failure.
If you can listen, especially follow the daily tips we are dropping for you.
Yes.
Because this is from experience.
Yes, because you gather the information, you can gather the information, fix it well, then you will know that succeeding becomes something that is before you. Now, you also have to check the variables. What are the alternatives that this business decision I'm going to take can give? Apart from this one I want to do, apart from this thing I want to take, what are the alternatives I can make to make this business a success, if not this particular thing? When you think like that, you will be expanding. You will be forced to think out of the box, and then you're able to weigh the pros and the cons, the positive and the negative of the business, so that you'll be able to do it when you start professionally, perfectly, if it is perfect, but beautifully. All right.
Having one potential customer cannot be the final decision for you to go into that business. But I think if you need a potential customer, you need to gather as many as 10 to 20 for you to stand well when you are going to that business.
All right. Yeah, you have a potential customer. Yes, it's definitely important for you to have your customers in view. You have your customers in view is important, but you should not be limited. Should not be limited by maybe one customer or two customers. When you are having your business, sight it with the mind that let all the world buy from your business. Let everybody buy from your business. That's the way you should look at yourself or decide about your business. Don't just localize it.
Let number make sense
don't localize it.
when you are going to.
Let number be important to you.
What do I mean by numbers? If this one does not come, another one will visit you.
All right.
You know?
So then you now, among the variables you're making, make the right choice.
Okay.
Make the right choice. Okay, I think this is how far we will go on this particular video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.
Right.
And Terry, thank you for being around. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks so much.